everybody, it's Olivia with Create Odyssey. Please forgive me, I know my mat is really dirty, but I use it, I craft on it, so that's why it's dirty. So anyway, let's jump right in. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you we are in the part 2 video of the mini series. We're gonna do a mini banner, and I'm really hot, so yeah, I don't know why I told you guys that, but anyway, I'm like burning up right now. So let's get started. I use a scallop punch, the 1-inch circle punch, and I believe the 1/2 inch punch. The scallop is 1.5 inches. I'm also using gold number chipboard pieces, and I'm going to use this gold Deco Color Premium Prime Premio paint marker. I got it from Walmart. And you're going to need a piercing tool. And sorry, my thread. This is like a little bit thicker than normal thread, but anyway, I'm going to use this. So I already started decorating because this video would have been forever long, and I don't know about you, but I don't know. I don't really like to watch an hour video. I kind of like fast forward and learn the parts of the video that I want or whatever. So let's get started. I thought this would be cute because I love mini stuff, and who doesn't love mini banners? I did a mini banner before, but this is a scallop circle one, so I figured it was a little bit different. Plus, the video I was gonna do today, I don't have enough time. So yeah, it's not gonna be today. So let's go ahead and jump in. Paper, it kind of messes up, so I don't know. I don't want to mess up because it's going to be a banner, so I kind of don't want it to be warpy looking. And yes, I'm just ripping this with my fingers and calling it a day. I do have scissors, you guys, but yep, I didn't think it was that deep. And if you are looking at my hand, I think I got a bug bite right there. It itches, and I kind of made it red because I was scratching it before this video. So yeah, if you're nosy like me and like, what is that on her hand? Then yeah, that's what it is. If you can even see it. Okay, let's get this on here. And I used these little puffy skulls are from, oh, what do you call that? The Beautiful Night collection. So yeah, that's that. Trying to zoom through here. And also, you're gonna wanna leave a little bit of room more towards the top, because that's where I'm gonna actually connect the banner. I'm going to pierce 2 holes at the top of each of the scallop edge. So you kind of want to move these bigger numbers down just more towards the bottom so you have enough room to pierce the top. Because I'm actually going to do 2 holes and kind of weave it. You'll see in a minute. So that's why that one's a little bit crooked. Let me see if I can pull it up. Let's see, kind of messed up there, but it's gonna get covered back up, so that's all right. And you see I got my stripes going all different directions. I could do them all one direction, but I don't know. I kind of like it a little chaotic. So here we go. Do this. Yes, I'm throwing the little scraps to the side.
I don't have any crafting right there. It is going right on my desk. I can clean it afterwards. So yeah, here we go. I'm gonna get this last one right here. And I'm also probably gonna make the edges gold on the last scallop, but I'm not sure. I was gonna do this, yeah, the center of it. I don't know, I might not even use it. Let's see. Wow, this is
back and I got that done and I made a mess on my mat. Yeah, I like the gold. I think it adds just enough where we needed a little bit of something, and it did it for me. So go ahead and get the piercing tool out. Be careful. Don't pierce your fingers, guys. I'm probably not even doing this right, but you know, maybe I should line it up a little bit better and see what I'm gonna do here. Okay. So I just made mini holes, and then I'll go ahead and make them bigger. Don't get too close to the edge, you guys, because then it will go out of your paper. See, I'm just gonna cut some of this. I definitely don't need it this long, but you know, it'll just have to. It'll have to do for now. I wanted to get it long enough so you can see what I'm gonna do here. So I'm going to put it through the hole. Well, see, in the back you might have to fold it back because the piercing tool sometimes leaves the stuff. So we're gonna go like this, and then we're gonna go through here like so. I'm gonna pull it through. See? So we're gonna do them all like that, and I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video, and then when it's all done I'll show you what it looks like. Hey everybody, I'm back. So here's the finished banner. I don't know why I moved my hand in front of the thing like that, and there's so much shadow right now. Sorry about that. Anywho, so I just poked the holes in the top. I didn't measure, you guys. I just said, oh, that looks about even. And so yeah, there's my mini banner. I hope you guys like it. If you do, be sure to like this video, subscribe, and you can also follow me on Instagram at Create Odyssey. Bye guys.